In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable extra usage in Claude Code CLI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn this on using the CLI and finish the switch in your browser quickly and with confidence. Start by opening your terminal. This can be Terminal on Mac OS or Command Prompt or PowerShell on Windows. Any terminal app you normally use is fine. Next, type Claude and press Enter. That launches the Claude Code CLI's interactive interface so you can run its built-in commands. Once you're in, type /status and press Enter. This opens a status view that summarizes your account and usage information. Use your arrow keys to move through this screen until you reach the usage section. Take a moment to read what's shown there. Near the bottom, you'll see an entry for extra usage, along with a note indicating that enabling it requires that extra usage command. That's the exact command we'll use to flip the setting. Before you run it, press the ECE key on your keyboard. ECE exits the status viewer and returns you to the main CLI prompt so you can enter another command. Now type #extra usage and press Enter. This doesn't toggle anything inside the terminal directly. Instead, it securely hands the process off to your default web browser, because enabling extra usage is an account-level setting that must be confirmed on the web. Your browser will open to the appropriate page. Look for the usage area. This is where the CLI just directed you, and find the option labeled Extra Usage. Click to enable it. Depending on the interface, this may be a toggle switch or a button, and you might see a short confirmation message. If prompted to review details, skim them so you understand what enabling extra usage entails for your account. When the switch is on, the setting is active. At this point, the change is saved to your account, so you can return to the terminal and continue working. The CLI reflects your account settings from the web, so there's nothing else you need to do in the terminal to finalize it. If you ever want to review your status again, the same status screen will show your current usage details, including extra usage. That's all there is to it. Open your terminal, launch the CLI, check status, exit with ES, run the extra usage command, and complete the toggle in your browser's usage page. You've successfully enabled extra usage in the Claude Code CLI.